Severe storms roared through the Midwest Tuesday to Wednesday. The National Weather Service had reports of 50 tornadoes in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. Storms in Oklahoma shut down roads and caused residents to run for safety to avoid flying debris. Oklahoma, where there are close to 11,000 Filipinos, declared a state of emergency in a dozen counties Thursday, as people continue to stay safe from heavy winds and dangerous amounts of rain. In Oklahoma City, a flash flood emergency was declared by the Weather Service, the first ever in the city. A few injuries were reported, including about a dozen at an Oklahoma City trailer park. One woman drowned in an underground storm shelter that flooded.
This has been my life for 27 years, and it's, I can't describe it. I think I'm a little bit in shock. When I first saw it, I just couldn't believe it. It's just the devastation, you know. It's just, you kind of wonder how you're going to recover from this, but we will.
Officials of the Philippine Consulate in Chicago, which has jurisdiction over Oklahoma, says they have reached out to the Filipino community there and are still trying to determine if there were any Filipinos affected by the tornadoes.
We're headed now to the shelter.
This was a video Rhoda Sevilla Blasky took just before she and her family entered their tornado bunker last night. She says she should be used to tornado warnings by now, but it never gets easy.
Dapat masanay na ako, pero yung that time na yun, magkakahiwalay kami, kaya parang ninenervyos ako.
She says she's heard from some fellow Pinoys that their properties were partially damaged. But so far, she says, she hasn't heard of a kababayan who got injured from last night's twisters. Despite living in an area prone to disasters, she says she and her family will not leave Oklahoma.
Kasi siguro nga sa tagal na din namin dito, we have to get used to it. Kasi parang ito na yung home namin. We pray, and then I know that this is happen all the time, and God always with us.
Kababayans living in Tornado Alley have to continue to stay strong during tornado season. Authorities say more storms are possible later in the week and that they are now concerned about floods in already affected areas. Henny Espinosa, ABS-CBN News.